Hi, I'm Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So today we're going to have a look at the events page just on this demo site. So there's not going to be much in it, but we can see that there are two events listed. Now, by default, when an event expires with your Brilliant Directory website, there is nothing that displays on the event. You get no badge or anything. So what we've done is just a wee idea. We've added this badge. Now, this badge will appear when the end date of the event has passed. And that allows us then to keep listing expired events in our search results on our website, which is really good for SEO because it adds content to the website. It gives search engines an idea of what sort of events that we list on our website. And it also gives your visitors an idea of what sort of events you list as well. So what we did some editing to the code to make this badge automatically appear when the end date has been reached. So if we view this listing and go to the post detail page, we can see that we've added the badge here as well. And again, we've set it up that it automatically reads the end date. And then when the end date has passed, then the badge will display. So it's a really good thing to do. If you're not too sure how to list expired events in your directory, if you go to My Content Edit Post Settings, when this loads up, you can scroll down to the event post type and click Edit. And then we'll go to the search results design, additional settings. And then when you scroll right down to the bottom, you have here displayed expired post in the search results. So we have this turned on to yes. I would recommend if you are an event site or you do a lot of events on your site to display the expired posts, but also figure out a way to make sure it's nice and clear to your consumers that are visiting your site. So if you're looking for something like this to be applied to your code on the search result page, but also on the post detail page, come back to us at membershipwebsites.net and then we can see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching.